Hello Pop Pickers, Gethin here. Here's a little tip that will save you a bunch of time when you're doing your labels. We're just going to do a find and replace on the name and on the media. And this is how you do it in Word on Windows. So first thing you do is select the name. So you click on where it says artist name and then you triple click to select it all. 1, 2, 3. And then you do Ctrl-C to copy it. Now, important bit, the next bit, you've got to click off this area here and just click at the top of the document before you do the find and replace. So you hit Ctrl-H, H for find, which brings up the find and replace dialog box. Find what? Do Ctrl-V to put the artist name in there and you replace with your own name. And then you go replace all, and there it is. Now you can do the same thing with the media. So again, click on there, 1, 2, 3 to select the whole lot. Ctrl-C, and then click at the top, and then Ctrl-H and Ctrl-V, and then replace with your media. Which for me would be, say, digital print, and then replace all, and that's it. Ta-da!